Here are the ladies. Here are the ladies. We're gonna do some. You know what they enjoy very much is when we do dog barks for them. They think it's funny when Daddy barks like a dog. Hey, girls, are you ready? Hey, Mare-mare. You know what I'm gonna do, don't you? Yeah. Hey, ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? Arr, 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 arr. 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 Arr, arr. You do it, PK. You do it. You do it. Go. PK. Is that doggy? Is that a doggy? Did you hear that doggy? PK, is that a doggy? Did you hear a doggy? Is it doggy? What are you doing over there, Mare-mare? Hey, Mare-mare, can you go? Can you go? Okay. Yes? Hey, PK, PK.